Hey everyone, welcome back to the Greeting Farm channel. It's Claudette and I'm here with a project, a really simple, fast project for you. Simple because we just got this digital and my brain is not fully functioning and I didn't not know what to make. We had December off, so getting back into the groove was a little hard for me, plus just the holiday and trying to catch up with everything has taken its toll on me. So I apologize if this is a super quick and simple project, but it's easy and it's something you guys can make in I want to say 10-15 minutes. It doesn't take that long. I basically made this. This is a Merci chocolate, you know, the ones you get at like Target or at Costco. My box is a little wonky because of the way I opened it, so if you're careful when you open it, it won't probably look as bad as mine. But anyways, it is using the new digital stamp set called Love Anya, and this is for Valentine's Day, but of course you can use this any other day. You could just leave the love out, or if it's you know, your significant other birthday or whatever, it does not have to be for Valentine's Day. I always say Miss Anya. I went ahead and put her out several different ways, and that's the beauty of digital stamps. I can make her any size I need her to be. I could use this middle size one, but I really wanted the image to stand out, and then I use the little flowers that you get with it. So basically you get the Anya, and then some flowers, a cupcake, a little gift bag, and am I missing? And some sentiments that I don't have. I didn't print them out, but you can make them any size. I decided to use, I made them in 3 different sizes. I wanted to fill up my paper when I printed and when I cut them on my silhouette. So that is why there are 3 different sizes, to see which one worked best. But I opted for the largest size because I wanted her to be the focal point. Okay, and so I decorated the top of the box, and yes, you have to open it because I went ahead and used pattern paper to cover the chocolates. I use the Studio Calco, the pink passport paper, and it is, I'm sorry, it's not Studio Calco, it's Hobby Lobby. It's the paper studio. There was studio in it. So I went ahead and used this. This is one of my favorite papers from Hobby Lobby. I like the design, however I am not so fond of the actual paper because it is a bit thin for my liking. It's pretty much copy paper quality, or yeah, it's pretty much a thin copy paper material, and I don't like that for my other projects. So I like using it for stuff like this where it's not a box that I create. So yeah, I just thought that this would be a fun Valentine's gift, and yeah, and I just thought it was so cute. I know it's really simple and there's just not much to it besides that, but I just think it's really adorable. You could also put a message here. I might later on print out the message that comes with the digital stamps and then just adhere it on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's get started on this project. I'm going to start off with pattern paper. Okay. So I was debating between this and this one, but because this one kind of for me blends too much, does it? Yeah, the dress blends too much with the flower, so I thought I would go ahead and use this ice cream one. And so what I'm going to do, all the measurements will be down in the description box, and this one, I'm going to say it, but if you miss me saying it, everything will be in the description box down below. This measures about 4 7/8 by 5.5. And so I am going to just glue that on right there. I'm going to use my dot liner. Okay. What I like about this dot liner is you can lift your project up without it tearing, and no problem. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I am going to do the inside as well before I decorate the outside. Okay. And then I made this little rosette. And then I'm going to stick my doily and then my Love Anya. Just so it makes it look a little bit more, I don't know, dressed up, because I feel like it's too plain if I just leave her on like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and use foam adhesive for Anya. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue this one. This is a really, like I said earlier, a very simple project, but it's so cute. So not only is the outside of the box cute, but the inside is just as cute. You know what? I think I might have cut this one the same size, but I think because it folds, you might want to just cut a very, very small sliver of it. Cut out too much, but that's okay. See, and so this is why I say do it before you decorate it, because now there's something much better, I think. Okay. All right, and then this one to cover the chocolate is about excuse me, 2 3/8 by 1.5. So you just do that, and there's no scoring needed. You just go ahead and fold it along the sides. My apologies for my voice. I feel like I'm really tired, like I didn't really get enough rest. I feel like the holiday season really just took a lot out of me. I went on a trip. It wasn't, I don't want to say it wasn't planned, because it was, but it was, basically my husband came and said, we're going to London. And I'm like, what? I mean, you're not going to say no to going to London or anywhere else, but it wasn't a trip we had planned to go on this year. I was hoping to go to London, or to any trip, spring of this year, but my husband decided to let's just go, and so we did, and we came back like not long before Christmas, and I didn't do any Christmas shopping. In fact, his Christmas present I got from Amazon 2 days. Actually, no, like 3 days before, but then the first order I got, they said was lost, so I had to reorder it. Yeah, I was a mess, and thankfully I had bought my mom her present at the airport, because that was done and it was already wrapped. So yeah, I didn't really buy. I just baked for everybody, and that really took a lot out of me, and I'm still trying to recover, believe it or not. This project, why it's super simple and super fast, is because we just got this. Marie just made this. She did this really quick. I absolutely love her, and so that's why this project's super simple, but I love it. It's so cute, and yeah, I'm really glad I saw this inspiration. I don't know if it was Pinterest that I saw this on, but I thought I'd recreate it and share it with you guys. If you're looking to give someone a Valentine's gift other than your spouse or your significant other or your special someone, I thought that this was such a cute little project. Let me zoom out. This is such a cute little project, and you could dress it up like this. And another idea is to like maybe make your own and put like little love notes, you know, like, or you could do I love you. Some, or each one have a little love note or like a coupon. You know how they give coupon books as gifts, like I will wash your car, or I will take out the trash, or wash the dishes, give you a massage. You could do that too on these. So yeah, that is how easy is this project? Really, it's just pattern paper and a box of chocolate, and of course the adorable Love Anya for this Valentine's. And this doesn't really have to be for Valentine's. You could just not add the love and just have her like that. And I just think her dress is so adorable. Once again, if you have been a follower of our channel, you would have seen, or you would have known, that I love digital stamps. And the reason why I love the digital stamps is because you can make them different sizes. You can make them do a lot of different things. It's easier doing it digitally, at least for me, because I can manipulate them and make them what I need them to look like. It also comes, as you saw earlier, with this super duper cute flower that I think I'm gonna go ahead and add right there, just so that it's not that plain. And let's see, they come with a bag. Yeah, I don't think I want to put too much on, because I don't want this to be have too many elements on here, because you're giving it, and I don't want these to fall off as you delivering it to your friend or whoever you're going to give this to. So I'm sorry if I seem a little low energy. I apologize for that. I don't even have the words because I'm really tired. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this was helpful for you for those quick and simple Valentine's Day or any project. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for stopping by. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. And if you guys have any questions regarding this project, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alrighty, have a great week everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.